Hello everyone and welcome to my channel PPT Queen Angular I-15. Today, let us make a Scratch project. So Scratch is a website where you can code online. So first we have to search Scratch on any web browser we like, and Scratch is available on any device. Then we have to click on the first link, Scratch Imagine Program and Share. So once we click on that, we will see this screen. We cannot directly create because it won't save our project. So we have to click on join. Okay, so I'm signed in now. Get started. Yes, so finally we are inside. Now you have to click here like a file, which is my stuff just beside your profile. Okay, so now click on new project. So in this project, let us make it simple. So I've thought of making a balloon which is going to be inflated by a pump, and every time the pump is touched, the balloon inflates, and every time the balloon inflates, the score increases. Okay, so the basics are that of sprite background. Okay, so sprite is the actor, and this is the backdrops, like the background of the canvas. So this is full screen. You can just full screen it and watch what you have done. First you have to code it. Okay, if you want to delete any sprite, you can just delete it like this. You can paint a sprite like this. You can just go to costumes and paint with circles, fill, brush, like that. If you don't want to paint, you can just click on that and then you will see many options. So we need a balloon first, and the pump I don't think we'll find it. So we have to draw it. No problem, we'll draw it. So first let us see the balloon. Okay, what are the costumes? Let's see the colors of the balloon. Okay, three colors. Let us add one color by duplicating one of the balloons and filling it with the red. I want red. Okay, and this is a red balloon. Or you can also duplicate this one and make it into a pink balloon. Purplish, no purple, we have purple. Make it some pinkish. This is good. Okay, so now we have two extra colors, which looks a little weird. Okay, so we have 5 colors now, which is kinda cool. Now let's go to code and just place this balloon in the middle. Okay, so these are the different places where you can take your codes. Wait 1 second. Event, sound, looks, motion. Okay, there are many. Now first what we have to do is just whenever this green flag is clicked, okay, it has to go here and change its color to, which color should we change it to? Okay, we will change it to purple. Okay, so every time the green flag is clicked, we can change this color to purple. So let's think if I have changed it to pink, and now I will put when flag clicked, it will go to looks. So in looks block you can find switch to costume. What is this one? Costume 2, balloon 1. Sorry, we have to switch it to purple. So balloon 1C, balloon 1C. You have to select and balloon 1C. Damn it. So now see, if I have changed it to yellow, then it will change back to purple. Okay, so it changed back to purple. Let's select a background. Okay, so background, it's gonna be normal. Let's select is that light? Okay, playground, plates, old slopes, space, stripes. Yeah, stripes is good. Okay, so the background has changed to stripes. Don't do anything with the background, so let it be. So once you have done this, you have just to, okay, this is good. Now you have to just go to motion and drag this block once you think the position is alright. Okay, but we're not going to do it now because first we have to draw the pump. So how does a pump look like?
Okay, wait, I'll just get to pump. Yeah. So for the pump, I will use this and make some fill with the grayish color. So write it or something. Yes, this is good. So now let us make something like a rectangle. Okay, and then make this plus sign, or you can also put it here. Okay, then we have to make it a line. So from here, let's put a line. Okay, and then put it. Just select this line and make it little below. It is touching it. Okay, you have to just make another small rectangle on top. Oh, it's not filled. Just duplicate this. Select this one, copy, paste, and then just rotate it, make it very small. This. Okay, so our pump is ready and we don't need this anymore, just click on it. We'll delete. Now we have to make it connect to the balloon, so let us draw. Make that just connect. Then you can just make a line from here. You can set the thickness. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna decrease it to 5. Let's draw. Okay, not this it. You can just draw anything like that. To paintbrush. Just draw the line.
Okay, so now we are gonna put the balloon. This here, this here. Okay, I want to go to this costumes and set this a little. Select this thing and use the arrow keys. Yeah. Now we have to make another costume of it, which it looks that this button has been pressed and it is gone. So for that we are just gonna duplicate this one and select this and just put it down. Okay, this one is good. So this is the not the pushed, not pushed and pushed. Okay. So for this one we have to make it whenever the green flag is glazed, you have to go to this exact position. Okay, and then switch to costume 1, which is the not pressed, so that it doesn't look like it has already been pressed. So we have to do it to pump. So switch costume to pump. Okay, so and another one is that whenever this has been pressed, it is gonna just switch to pump 2 or the next costume. Okay, so if you do it pump 2, then you have to continuously put pump 1, pump 2 selecting this. Then you can just put next costume, so it will be just, you know, just switching between two costumes. For that, we are going to go to events, select when this sprite is clicked, and remember this cannot be connected to anything. When this sprite is clicked, next costume. Okay, so see, teen flag clicked, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so it is being pressed as you can see. Now for the balloon has to be changing colors. So we have to broadcast a message to the balloon so that the balloon understands, okay, this is the time I have to change my color or the next color. Okay, that's where this comes in. So broadcast message, I'll put a new message. So this is the broadcast, and when I receive blocks, they work together to make the sprites communicate. So I'm gonna do change color. Okay, and in the balloon we can see that whenever the sprite is the flag is clicked, it will change to this color. And now what we have to do is oh, when I receive change color. Okay, so once I receive change color, oh my god, just do it to next costume. So it will look something like this. Okay, so every time it is getting pressed, it changes color, and I want whenever it gets pressed and changes color, I want it to get back again. So for that I'm going to do is balloon is like when I receive change color next costume, broadcast change color and just switch to costume pump. So it will look like this. Okay guys, switch costume. Okay, so it's not. Okay, this is good. Now every time this pump is pressed, the balloon changes color and increases size. So for that we are going to do when I receive change color next costume and change size by 5 so that it increases very slowly. Size make it to 50 so that it's small from the beginning. Okay, so now it will look like this. Started it. So as you can see, it slowly gets bigger and bigger forever until it touches the top. Continuously getting bigger. Now it can't get any more bigger. So now let's start the project again. Oh, it changed its color but it did not change its size. So for that we can fix this problem by just putting where did it go? Set size to 50% when flag clicked so that it whenever the flag is clicked it stays 50. So it's big, you know. So when I click the flag, small again. Again if I make it big, like this much is enough. Click the flag, it's small again. Like that it will go. And for the score, so score we can go to variables and make a variable which is called the score. Okay, and then make it set and okay. So once you change it to score, bring it into action. So whenever the green flag is clicked, set score to 0, and when this sprite is clicked, set change score by 1. Okay. So it will go like this. Every time I touch it, the pump, it gets bigger, changes size, and the score increases. Click flag again, and it is back. So now we want the balloon to say something like, oh my god, I'm getting bigger, or something like that. So for that, you can just go to loops block, say hello for 2 seconds, only say hello forever, think, switch costume. So if you put think, it will become a speech bubble. So this. See, it's a speech bubble. Okay, so say hello for 2 seconds. And then I'm going to make a different one for this. Say hello. Okay, and then wait for not 0.5 seconds, and then think, not think what what would happen if it was very big. Like that, you can just make anything you want. Okay, for 2 seconds, and then it'll start. And then you have to broadcast a message again. So whenever the sprite receives that message, it is gonna show, and then it is gonna start this thing. Okay, good one. Now let's see what would happen if I was very big for 2 seconds. Go to events, broadcast, not change color, new message, broadcast, show. Okay, now whenever the flag is clicked, no, it has to hide. So over here you can see show and hide. So it's going to hide. And when I receive show, I'm going to show. Okay, now let's see what happens. Hello. What would happen if it was very big? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now we have to do it like this. Like it will become 100% only, but after some time it will become 50%. You'll say, oh my god, how did I become small? And then the pump is gonna like pump it and become big. Okay, so something like that we are gonna do. So for that, let's do the broadcast when I receive, because they are the most useful blocks. So first, when the flag clicked, set size to 100%. Okay, then switch to costume, then low. Okay, broadcast show. So when I receive show and broadcast a message, become 50%. Okay, something like that we are gonna broadcast. So broadcast new message, change size. Oh, size to 50. Oh my god, 50. Okay, so change size to 50. Balloon is when I receive, where did it go? When I receive change size to 50. Okay, what do you have to do? Change size to 50%. Easy. not volume. You have to go to set size to 50%. Okay, so when I receive and then say wait 1 second. Oh my god, oh my god. Say how did I become small all of a sudden? Okay, and then cast start. Okay, so when I receive no, so we have to change this to when I receive start. Oh no, no. What am I doing? This sprite is clicked only. This is different. When I say start, just say when let's start the game. Okay. So when I receive start, say let's start the game and oh we have to edit it. Done. Okay, so now let's see how did it work out. Hello. What would happen if I was very big? How did I become small? Okay, okay, small all way to become. Oh, yeah, it's good. Hello. Let's start the game. Now, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we have to say the person what to do. That's the reason. Stop it. We are going to go to the sprite library and say Abby. We put it here. No, not here. Here and whenever I'm going to broadcast new message, let's start the game. So Abby will basically say everybody to push the pump and see the magic. Okay, so whenever the green flag is clicked, you have to be hidden, Abby, my dearest Abby. So whenever the green flag is clicked, be hidden, hide. And when I receive, let's start the game. What should it be? Yeah. Show, and say oh, it has to say hello itself. Say hello. Wait 1 sec. Say I am happy. Abby. What is Abby? It's Abby. Abby. It's good now. Say I'm Abby. And then wait 1 second. Click the pump and see the magic kite. Oh my god. Click the pump and see the magic. And say click me to hide. Click me to hide me and say enjoy. Okay, so within all of this there's gonna be a 0.5 second gap, and that's it. I'm done. So 0.5 and 0.5. Now we have to make it like whenever this is clicked, she has to hide. First, before that, I'm going to go to this position. Oh my god. Switch. When the sprite is clicked, just simply hide off. Hiding. Let's see if this works now. All of this. The moment of truth. Hello. Okay. What would happen if I was very big? How did I become smaller all of a sudden? Let's start again. Hello. I am Abby. Click the pump and see the magic. Click me to hide me. Bye. I. Woohoo! This is working good. Now let's make it big and safe now. Okay. Hello. Red comes. Okay. Hello. Okay. Click the pump and see the magic. Click to hide me. Enjoy. Oh, see the score is increasing there. Okay. So that's it for the video. If you like this, please subscribe, like and comment below if you like this. And do share this project with your friends. And bye bye. Meet you in the next video.
Nice.